In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable CoinSnap app notifications. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications or alerts from this CoinSnap app and you wish to go ahead and put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to do this, just go to your app, and once you have located it, just long press on it, and you should see on top here we have this option called App Info. Go ahead and tap on App Info, and this will open the App Info page for CoinSnap app. From this, go ahead and look for the section called Permissions, and under Permissions you should see Notifications. Currently, you can see if I tap on Notifications, all these type of notifications have been enabled. This is the reason why you have been receiving all those notifications. Now, to disable this permanently, go ahead and toggle off Show Notifications option here by just tapping on it, and now you will never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and turn this on. So that's how you can disable pop-up notifications from CoinSnap. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.